We'll start with Master's theorem. Master's theorem, actually, if you solve this question with normal recurrence, okay, so it will take lots of time. So there are some tricks, like some questions we can solve it with Master's theorem. For example, you can see T of n is equals to AT n by b plus f of n. And one more thing, Master's theorem will not work with all the technique, means all the recurrence relation, right? For example, if I take T of n is equals to 2t n by 2 plus 1. Okay, so see, it is similar to this, and it should be in n by 2, n by 3, it should be in divide form. Then here in this case, Master's theorem will work. But there are some recurrence relation like t of n minus 1 plus n. So in this type of recurrence relation, Master's theorem will not work. So for Master's theorem, we need it in divide form, n by 2, n by 3. Okay, so suppose, now tell me T of n is equals to T of n by 2 plus n. So here Master's theorem will work? Yes, here Master's theorem will. Okay, why? Because it is in divide form. So please take care of this thing before applying Master's theorem to any recurrent relation. Again, I'll repeat, to perform Master's theorem, we need here it in divide form. Okay, if you are having a negative plus like that, so at that time Master's theorem will not work in that. So let us apply Master's theorem to this first question. Okay, before applying, let us understand first the algorithm. So here, this is the format actually. T of n is equals to A T n by b plus f of n. Now here the most important point is f of n. How to find f of n? So for f of n, this is the formula theta n ka power k log p n. Okay. Now, first of all, whenever they'll give any quotient, we need to find value of a and b. Once we'll get the value of a and b, now there are three cases. Case 1, case 2, and here you can see case 3. In case 1, okay, first of all we'll compare log a to the base b with k. Okay, so in whatever question they'll give, first of all we will compare the value of log a to the base b with k. If your log a to the base b is greater than k, then we will apply this one. If it is equal to k, in that case again we will check the value of p. That value of p is greater than minus 1, equal to minus 1 or less than minus 1. Then it will go to this condition. And in case here of log a to the base b is less than k, then it will go to any of this condition. Okay, so let us start solving it. So it will be clear more. Right. So here, first of all, we'll find the value of a. Now compare this with this one. So here, what is the value of a? A. Instead of a, here we have 2. So value of a is your 2. Now what's the value of b? B is nothing but n bit divided by the number, that is nothing but b. So in my case, what is my b? Here you can check. B is 2. Okay. After that, now we need to find f of n. We got ab, okay. If we got ab, then we can apply log a to the base b. Log a to the base b, if we'll see, log a to the base. What is my a? My a is 2. So 2 to the base 2, that is nothing but 1. So we got log a to the base b as 1. Now we need to find the value of k. How to find the value of k? So for that we need f of n. So see, f of n is equals to theta in bracket n ka power k log p n. Okay. Now here, what will be the value of n here? Okay. So let us find it. Here, you take this question, okay, and compare it with this one. Okay. You have here any place where you have n ka power? You have anything here? Like n ka power 2, n ka power 3, anything like that? No, we don't have, right? So in that case, what will be your n ka power? N ka power will be 0. Okay, then log. You have here log. Can you see anywhere here log? No, there is no log. So here also it will be 0. Okay, because log is not there, so this term will be, this p will be 0, and n is also not there, so this term will be 0. If still you have some doubt, the next question I will take for log and where I will have n, then it will be more clear. Okay, so what you need to do, here we have 1. So if you have 1, in that case your k will be 0 and your p will also be 0. So we got here k, my k is 0 and my p is also 0. Now, let us apply it here. So in our case, what we have? Log a to the base b, value is 1, which is greater than k, right? Because our k value is 0. So it's greater than k, so it will go to case 1. So as it will go to case 1, then directly we can write the answer theta in bracket n ka power log a to the base b. What is our log a to the base b? Our log a to the base b is nothing but 1. So it will be n ka power 1. N ka power 1 nothing but n. So the answer for this question is theta of n. Okay. So you can write it down this one. Hello everyone. So now let us solve our second question. So second question we can solve like this. For example, my question is t of n is equals to 4t n by 2 plus. Okay. Now in this case, what will be my a? In this case, my a is 4 and my b is 2. Okay. How to solve it? So see here, a. We compare it here, 4 and b is my divide, that is 2. Now here if you will find log a to the base b. So log a to the base b is nothing but log 4 to the base 2. Okay, so 4 is nothing but 2 ka power 2. Okay, so it will become log 2 ka power 2 to the base 2. So 2 will go on left hand side. Okay, 2 will go on left hand side. It will be log 2 to the base 2. 2 to the base 2 is nothing but 1. So here I can directly write down the answer as, here we will get answer as. So log a to the base b is 2. Now let us find our f of n. So f of n is equals to, again the same, theta in bracket n ka power k log p to the base n. Now here theta n ka power k. Can you see here n? Yes, we can see here. Okay. And how many n are there? There is only one n. So n ka power nothing is there. That means 1. So here now our k value will become 1. Now can you see here log? No, there is no log. So in that case, p is still again 0. Okay. So now after doing this, we got our k value as 1 and our p value is nothing but 0. Now again compare log a to the base b. So log a to the base b, where value is 2 and k is 1. So here log a to the base b is greater than k. So in that case, again my theta will become n ka power log a to the base b. Log a to the base b answer we got is 2. So the answer for this question will be n square. Now let us take one question with log. So even your log concept will be clear properly. T of n is equals to 8t in bracket n by 2 plus n log n. Okay. Now here again if you take what is your a value, your a is 8. Okay. And what is your b value? So your b is 2. So in that case your log a to the base b, that is nothing but 8 to the base 2. Okay. So it will be 2 ka power 3. So 3 will go on left hand side and log 2 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 means 1. So here what answer we will get it as 3. Then again we will find f of n is equals to theta n ka power k log p to the base n. Now here we have n here. Yes, we have n as well as we have log n also. Both we have. So in that case, n ka power 1 and log also is there. So this is also 1. So in that case, your k is also 1 and your p is also 1. Then again, compare log a to the base b. Here also log a to the base b is greater than k because our k is 1 and log a to the base b is 3. Then again it will go to the first condition, theta n ka power. So now what we got, n ka power 3. So the answer for this question will be theta n ka power 3. Now next we'll take one question where we will go to the second condition. Okay. For first condition I hope it's clear because we have solved 3 questions based on only first condition. Now let us take next question is 9t in bracket n by 3 plus n square. Log a is equals to 9 and log b is 3. Okay. So log a to the base b, that is nothing but log 9 to the base 3. 9 is nothing but 3 ka square. Okay. So log 3 ka square to the base 3. So 2 will go on left hand side and log 3 to the base 3 is 1. So here we'll get answer as 2. Now let us find f of n. So f of n is equals to theta n ka power k log Pn. Okay. In that case, what will be your k? So we have n, yes. So what is the n ka power 2? So in that case, your k will become 2. And we have log here. No, we don't have log. So in that case, your p will become log. Sorry. Your p will become 0 because log is not there here. So as log is not there, so your p will become 0. Next, now we'll compare log a to the base b. So now in our case, log a to the base b is equal to k. So as it equal to k, it will go to case 2. Now as it went to case 2, we need to check the value of p. So what is our value of p? Our p is 0. 0, that means our p is greater than minus 1. Hai na? If any confusion, it's minus 1, 0 and then 1. So minus 1 is less than 0. Okay. So our p is greater than minus 1. Right. So it will go to which case? It will go to the first case. So I'll write here our p is greater than minus 1. 0 is greater than minus 1. So our answer will be theta in bracket n ka power k. What is the value of k? Value of k is 2. Then log p plus 1. What is the value of p? P is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So here log ka power 1, that means log is there. So the answer for this question is n square log n. In next videos, more questions we will solve. Okay. So next question we will solve based on master theorem will be T of n is equals to 2t n by 2 plus n to the base log n. Now, for example, if this type of question comes to the base log n. Okay. Now, in that case, first of all, you should write this question only in normal form. 2t n by 2 plus now n. Okay. Whenever anything is in denominator, then what to do? How to take it in numerator? So we will write log to the base n, and here it will the power will become minus 1. What will be the power? Minus 1 when you take it to the numerator. Okay. Now again we'll apply the same. What is my a? My a is 2. What is my b? My b is also 2. So in that case, log a to the base b, that is log 2 to the base 2. Both are same, so it will become 1. And now we'll find for f of n. So f of n is equals to theta n ka power k log p n. Okay. So here, what is your n? We have n here. Yes, we have. Okay. So my n ka power is what? 1. Nothing is there. That means 1. So it will be n ka power 1 and log p. What is the value of p? Minus 1. Okay. So here I can write it directly. My k is equals to 1 and my p is equals to minus 1. Right? Because log ka power minus 1 we have. Now we will compare log a to the base p. Value is equals to 1 and my k is also 1. So here also both are same. Log a to the base p is equals to log k. Log a to the base p is equals to k. So now in this case again it will go to which one? Case 2. So as it go to case 2, we'll check the value of p. So p is equals to minus 1. That means here it will go to the second case. So I will write it like theta in bracket n ka power k. So what is my k here? My k is 1. So n ka power 1. That means n only. Then log of log n. So the answer for this question is n of log n. Okay. So just what you need to take care here. If anything is denominator of n, take it to numerator. So it will become easy. Next question. Next question, let us take the. Okay, now same question you can try. Okay, 2t n by 2 plus n divided by log square. Okay, all of you try this question. See. So now here log a to the base b, your log a to the base b will be 1. Then theta n ka power k log p n. So it will become n ka power k. N ka power k. What is the value of k? We have here and yes, we have here n1. So your k will equals to 1. So now what will be your p? If you take it in numerator, so it will become log minus 2n. Okay. So your P will become minus 2. So in that case, your log is greater than P. Sorry, your log is equals to K. So log A to the base B is equals to K. Then it will go to again case 2. And in case 2, minus 2, which is your P value is minus 2. Minus 2 is less than minus 1 or it is greater than minus 1? Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Then it will go to third case. So as per third case, it will become theta n ka power k. What is the value of k? 1. So the answer for this question will be theta of n. T of n is equals to T of n by 2 plus n square. Now here log a to the base b. What is my a? A is not given, that means we'll take it as 1. What is b? B is 2. Now in this type of question, when log value, upper value is lesser than below 1, in that case we'll take this value as 0. Okay. Then again same theta in bracket n ka power k log Pn. So we have n here, yes we have n here. So n value is 2. So in that case my k will become 2. We have anywhere log? No, we don't have. So your P value is nothing but 0 because we don't have log. Okay, P value will become 0. Now again compare. So log a to the base b value is 0. Log a to the base b 0, which is less than k 2. Okay. So now it will go to your third case. This case. In this case, now check the value of p. What is our p? Our p is equals to 0. So in that it will go to the first condition. So your answer will be theta. Then n ka power, we'll take this. Okay, n ka power k. So it will become n ka power k. What is my k value? My k is 2. So it will become n ka power k. Then log p. What is the value of p? 0 n. And anything to the power 0, that means nothing but 1. So in that case, your answer will be theta of n square. So that's all with Master's theorem. Okay, try to solve all this question. Then you can try your previous year question paper. This topic is very important for your engineering, for UGC NET exam, for GATE. For UGC NET and GATE, it's an 95% chance that this type of question can come in. Thank you.